This is amazing. Over $75 million have been pumped into Pepecoin within the past 7 days. Yes, now the market cap have actually hit $681 million. And I'm happy that the coin is trading with the trading volume of over $353 million. Now, $75 million is a lot of money that have been pumped. You can see people are trying to buy, some people are already started buying and storing, okay, while some people are already trading, because right now the coin is increasing every day. So you see this coin increasing by 3, 5, 10%. So some people are right now making money with Pepecoin. Some are already buying to keep for a long period of time, while some are already trading this coin. Okay, whatever way, but those are trading this coin right now. Imagine in the past 2 days you are making about 15%. Imagine investing, trading with $1,000. That means almost 2 days you're making $150 or $200 with Pepecoin. That is if you are trading well. So I'm not saying you can put such money or you can trade Pepecoin. You need to trade when you know that you are good in trading. So, but for now, the coin is good. You can buy little of this coin. Just invest a little amount, whether $10, $15, just whatever you can afford to lose. Buy it and keep. Okay. So, and because this coin, anything can happen. This coin is already almost heading towards 7,000%. So anything can happen. For right now, Pepecoin is really pumping. Pepecoin is really massively pumping, with the market cap hitting almost $700 million within the past 2 months. So let's hope for the best and see what comes up next. Thank you.